This may seem a little weird, but it pays to market against an enemy. Apple and Microsoft, Adidas and Puma, Virgin and British Airways, Nike and Reebok. All the great companies had great adversaries, Ferrari and Lamborghini. And by having a kind of adversary thing, it's like a sporting relationship. You can't be for Manchester United and for Manchester City. You can't be for the Packers and for the Bears. You choose one, you get excited, you get passionate, you make the other one the enemy, you make the other one the bad guy. And there's really something to be said for that in your marketing, to create a rivalry with another firm, to create some passion. It really helps with the employees. It helps with your best customers, to get them on your team, to get them on your side, and create that kind of feeling of rivalry and put that into your marketing. As you've seen from some of these big companies that I've mentioned, it's a very, very effective strategy to get out there, to get some press, and to stay top of the mind with your customers, because you're fighting the good fight, because your product's better, your service is better, you're faster, you're cheaper, you're something, but you're playing against a real enemy. It's a great way to make sure that your marketing is connecting.